everyone, my name is Day and welcome back again sa channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood at nagsuporta doon sa last video natin. Grabe kayo guys, nakaka-overwhelm po yung mga ginagawa niyo sa mga videos ko. Thank you, thank you. I'm starting pa lang ako na content creator pero nakakatanggap ako ng ganitong mga support that coming from you guys and I really appreciate those na pinapakita nyo sa akin. And by the way, pasensyahan nyo na po yung aking headband kasi katapos ko lang maligo and nag-skincare para fresh tayong humarap po sa inyo. And so today we are back with another OPM gem. We are reacting to a track called A Little Bit by Earl Agustin. By the way, Earl Agustin is a rising star from Ozamis na siguradong kilig at soul ang hatid ng katang na to. And if you're familiar with this, siya rin yun. Kaya this video is also to give a little curiosity and idea for those of you na baka narinig nyo na siya pero hindi nyo pa siya kilala. Now, I haven't heard this one yet kasi bago lang to. So, sama-sama tayo makinig and feel the vibe. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga susunod na mga videos natin. And let's get cozy and vibe together. Simulan na natin. Oh. Oh. Very relaxing, huh? I was never really like this before. Need I say more? Or maybe I'm confused when you are near me. I don't know what to do or I should be. There's only one thing in my mind. That's you and me. I'm a little bit of crazy. Wait lang, feeling ko ni-revive nila tong kanta na to. Kaya nung una pa lang entrada, alam mo familiar na yung music. But I didn't know na okay, pwede palang maging ganito yung kanta. Kind of, owning it, yung kanta na to. Alam mo yung pag-start pa lang ng music, parang kung nag-relapse. Kayo ba nag-relapse pa nito kayo? Feeling ko kailangan ko na bumili talaga ng microphone na maayos para medyo kahit hindi tayo magandang kumanta, medyo okay siyang pakinggan yung boses natin. Oh, very soul yung kanta eh. Alam mo, mararamdaman mo siya. Alam mo, maganda na ginanato nila yung rendition ng kanta ngayon kasi parang it gives another flavor to the music. Sobrang ganda. Very relaxing siya. Yun nga, kung ikaw yung taong may mga alam mo yun, may mga gusto na hindi ko na utlot. Feeling ko magre-relapse ka talaga dito. Oh, ganda ng yung saxophone ba to? I don't know what to do or I should be. There's only one thing in my mind. That's you and me. I'm a little bit This is my first time na mag-react sa mga ganitong mga videos, no? And first time din ako nag-enjoy ako ngayon sa, alam mo yun, dito sa binibigyan ko reaction. Ganda. Chill lang. Alam mo yung feeling na nagda-drive ka, long drive siya, so yung pinapag yeah. I-add ko to sa playlist ko. Yan eh, sobrang suwabe. Perfect siya for, I mean, chill, good na vibe lang. Sobrang okay. So, yun guys, there you have it. Thank you so much again for watching with me. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget also to give your recommendations ng mga videos na gusto nyong ipareact sa akin para mabigyan natin ng reaction. Bye-bye!